Yo, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox with another video. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss big opportunities. So in today's video, we have Terra Luna or Terra UST, and in this situation, it seems like Luna or the, I guess, owner is like Don Quan or something like that. I'm not sure how to say his name. I'm sorry for butchering it. But we can see right here, this is Terra Luna. Now it's been rebranded or renamed to Terra Classic, the original Luna token. This is Luna. And we can tell by just looking at the graph, this is Luna. For some reason, many people still think this is something they should buy into. Like obviously, it's kind of stupid if you're gonna buy into this. Just by looking at it, like why would you buy into this when they're making a new token and people are still saying, "Oh, it's gonna go up" or something? Obviously, that's not how it works. These people don't know what they're doing most of the time, I'm guessing, but. Yeah, they rebranded to Terra Classic. If we go over to their new page, this is Terra Luna. This is basically Luna 2.0 or something. And it's basically Do Kwon had some voting where they had a vote, and over 120 million people or so from the tweets. I can't find it anymore, but I tried finding it, but I couldn't find it. But over 120 million people voted yes to basically create Terra 2.0 blockchain, which is just a new Terra blockchain that Binance is working with Luna to do this recovery process and make the new blockchain. I'm pretty sure if that's how they're working with each other. That is what was said, and literally you can find so much information on Twitter to check it out for yourself and check out some articles. Obviously, not all of these are 100% right because these are, this is Twitter. Not everything is going to be right on Twitter. But yeah, this is basically the page where Terra Luna or Luna 2.0 is going to be. This is the exact same page. You can see right here on the top, Terra-Luna-V2. And it goes to Terra Money. Which is the same exact website, but they've been listed here, but they don't have their actual token listed on the status. Obviously, not many people are happy about this because originally, who's gonna be happy with Luna's ending of the original token here? Who's gonna be happy with this sudden $86 to not even a cent? Way less than a cent, actually. The price of 1/10 of a cent or something like that. So as you can see right here. But if we go on Twitter, we can see kucoin is gonna support the migration and airdrop for Terra Luna and Terra USD tokens. We can see BitGet also is doing the same thing. There's a bunch of people that are just saying something here. This is there's a lot of people that are representing themselves as Luna or Terra Luna themselves for some stupid reason. Obviously, there's a lot of people that are also saying, oh, right here, what about burning 950,000 Luna for every like on this tweet? This is obviously bullcrap. This is not Luna themselves. There's so many scams and time-wasting tweets that are just honestly disappointing. But yeah, don't believe in any of those because they're all fake. They're a waste of time. Just saying. So yeah, these are the platforms that are letting them in. You can see a bunch of different things right here. Luna airdrop eligibility for centralized exchanges. We got Binance, Bitfinex, BitGet, Bitmart, all of these ones, and then Coinbase is ineligible, so there, a huge amount of people come from Coinbase too. So just saying, Crypto.com, FTX, Gate.io, Gemini not being eligible, and then you got a few other here that are not eligible down here, and yeah, that's basically all of these. you know, you can see right here every single Twitter centralized exchange, social media that is eligible has made a tweet about this, of course, stating about the Luna situation and Luna 2.0 and whatever. If we go up, we can also see, you know, FTX here again. But yeah, that's basically what Luna is looking like. If we go over here, we can see Terra 2.0. When and how would hodlers receive the Luna airdrop, stating that basically whoever has Luna from before, I guess, will have an airdrop for like Terra 2.0 or Luna V2. So you can see right here, it seems like there's some tweets and like who gets how much Luna. They state how much Luna would you get if you were a hodler. You would get this much Luna, and so on, so on. We can see Terra 2.0 will have its native staking token Luna airdrop to its community as described in proposal, whatever rule section this is or something, upon Genesis on May 27, 2022, which is actually when this video is going to be uploaded. So that's pretty crazy. Eligible holders of Loons, I'm guessing this is another type of Luna token, because there's like wrapped Luna and so on too. You got USTC and then AUST will be dropped Luna on the new chain. So, you know, like we've covered, this is a huge article that you can read more about, like how the Luna's like airdrop is gonna work. We can see right here, pre-attack, if you had 10k Luna, you get, you know, this much and whatever. So I will link this down below so you can learn about this airdrop if you are trying to learn more about the airdrop, because you might have the tokens of Luna and you were a hodler. But we can see like this is the tweet that I found about this. Binance will distribute the Luna 2.0 airdrop to eligible users based on Terra's project distribution plan, which is literally this one right here. This is their distribution plan of this, you know, short and brief exclamation. And then lastly, you know, all the exchanges that will support Luna 2.0. We have, you know, all of these exchanges, huge exchanges, not small exchanges. Like we had Binance. Obviously they delisted Luna pretty quickly after this situation happened, but they're gonna support Luna 2.0, it seems like. You got Gate.io, you got Crypto.com, you got KuCoin. Obviously they're doing this because of also the huge trading volume that Luna gets. It's not because, oh, we're feeling bad for you know, the crypto Luna hodlers or users. Obviously it's not gonna be like that, because obviously they make money off of trading fees and this, that, volume. So they're gonna go for it because it's a huge token. It's probably gonna be a huge token in the first few days, because, you know, everyone's gonna get the airdrop, everyone's gonna start trading it. I'm not sure if it's gonna have a good future or not, because I can't really tell at this point. I personally am not a fan of Luna. I've never, you know, taken a look at Luna. I've never bought any Luna. I've never sold any Luna. I've never gained any Luna, because I have nothing to do with Luna, and I don't think it's the project for me. I thought this before this huge attack, or even after, because, you know, some people, some of my friends, I guess, have made, you know, double their investment after this drop, but it's not double anymore. It's obviously less now because the token is less from when they bought it. But yeah, that's Luna 2.0. Tell me, what do you think of Luna 2.0? Obviously, I don't have anything to do with Luna 2.0, and I don't want to have anything to do with it because of its reputation and just its, you know, its protocol it was built on before as a different type of protocol to fiat currency for their UST. I'm pretty sure this protocol was not sustainable and eventually just broke off into a loophole. So that's how it really happened. But yeah, hopefully you appreciate this video and learned something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Tell me if you like these type of videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.